Jammu, Namaste, and Kashmir, Salam. India's crown jewel capitals with its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural tapestry, from Jammu's sacred temples to Kashmir's serene valleys and vibrant Mughal gardens, this diverse region enchants with its heritage and natural splendor, making it a must explore destination for all. Article 370 of the Indian Constitution granted special autonomous status to Jammu and Kashmir, limiting the application of Indian laws in the region. In 2019, the BJP-led government revoked this provision, aiming to integrate J&K more closely with India. The move was intended to promote development, investment, and equality among all citizens by extending central laws and welfare measures to the region. This decision sparked varied reactions but signaled a significant shift to India's approach to governance in J&K. The Bharatiya Janata Party has undertaken several initiatives to improve healthcare in Jammu and Kashmir. Key actions include 1. Ayushman Bharat Scheme, providing health insurance coverage to vulnerable families. 2. Establishment of AIIMS, setting up all India Institutes of Medical Sciences in Jammu and Kashmir. 3. New medical colleges, opening new medical colleges to increase healthcare access and medical education. 4. Health and wellness centers, setting up centers to offer comprehensive primary health services. 5. Improvements in infrastructure, upgrading existing hospitals and healthcare facilities with modern equipment and infrastructure. These measures aim to enhance healthcare access, affordability, and quality for the residents of J&K. The Bharatiya Janata Party has implemented several initiatives to support farmers in Jammu and Kashmir. Key actions include 1. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, providing financial assistance to farmers. 2. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, offering crop insurance to safeguard against natural calamities. 3. Infrastructure development, enhancing irrigation facilities and rural infrastructure. 4. Support for horticulture, promoting horticultural practices and providing subsidies for high-density apple plantations. 5. Market access, establishing e-marketing platforms for better price realization of agricultural products. These efforts aim to boost agricultural productivity and improve the livelihood of farmers in the region. The Bharatiya Janata Party has implemented several initiatives to promote sports in Jammu and Kashmir. Key actions include 1. Infrastructure development, constructing new sports complexes, stadiums, and indoor sports facilities. 2. Khelo India program, promoting grassroots sports and identifying talented athletes through the Khelo India initiative. 3. Sports academies, establishing sports academies and training centers to nurture young talent. 4. Financial assistance, providing scholarships and financial support to promising athletes. 5. Events and competitions, organizing state and national level sports events to encourage participation and competition. These efforts aim to boost sports infrastructure, talent development, and participation in J&K. In conclusion, the BJP has implemented significant reforms in Jammu and Kashmir, including the abrogation of Article 370, aimed at promoting integration, development, and equal opportunities. They have initiated infrastructure projects, enhanced healthcare and education facilities, boosted agricultural support, and promoted sports and cultural activities, marking a transformative phase for the region.
यहाँ के लोगों ने बताया कि पिछले 2-3 सालों में उन्होंने प्रगति की झलक देखी है। पिछले 50 सालों से यहाँ हुकूमतें हैं तो किसी हुकूमत ने कुछ नहीं किया। तो जब से यहाँ मोदी सरकार आई उसने बहुत बड़े काम किए, अच्छे काम किए। यहाँ रोड भी आई, पावर आया, और हम चाहते थे कि यहाँ अगर बीजेपी का कैंडिडेट हो तो हमारे तकरीबन सारे वोट उसको जाते, लेकिन यहाँ कैंडिडेट नहीं है।
मोदी जी ने भी ऐलान किया घर घर बिजली, उस जरिए से बिजली यहाँ
करने का काम ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी। जम्मू में इंटरनेशनल हवाई अड्डा बनेगा, जम्मू में मेट्रो आएगी। हर साल आतंकवादियों ने तोड़े हुए 100 मंदिर का जीर्णोद्धार हम करने का काम करेंगे।